For a future lab, Ms. Kimball desired a device that would allow students to guess an object's weight in sand and see how close they were to the original object's weight using visuals alone. This is similar to what was seen in the movie Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. To help find a solution for this problem, our group created a spring scale that is able to show on a dial the ranges of weight in relation to the original weight on the scale. When 0 to 50 grams, when the scale plate is weighed down, the dial moved right, and when there is less than the original weight, the dial moves left. Each movement out of the target range has a name reminiscent of the Indiana Jones franchise that the project was inspired by, such as Try Again, Traps, and Treasure. The device has a rack and pinion that can be removed in order to be zeroed into different weights. Now that Ms. Kimball has gotten the finished product, we cannot wait to see what applications for it she has in store.